NVQ Level 6 Diploma in Occupational Safety and Health. Get qualified while on the job. NVQs are the UK's premier vocational qualifications, offering a practical, evidence-based approach to learning, which can be undertaken while continuing to work. Level 6 is designed for people whose responsibilities include developing and implementing health and safety procedures within their workplace. They are not necessarily in a full-time health and safety role. The NVQ Level 6 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety Practice is completely evaluated by each candidate's competency. Evidence of your competency is based on real-world, on-the-job training. You can even use your historic records as evidence to contribute towards your NVQ qualification. The entire course is 100% submitted online. There are no exams for this NVQ. Assessment is based on your work activities. You cannot technically fail this NVQ. Who is this NVQ course for? The NVQ Level 6 course is aimed at those responsible for developing day-to-day health and safety procedures within their workplace and implementing them effectively. The aim of this course is to provide holistic training, imparting a deep understanding of occupational health and safety management in a practical way. An ideal qualification for those looking to balance diploma-level studies with a demanding existing role. NVQ Level 6 Quick Facts. NVQ Level 6, equivalent to bachelor's degree. 1,064 hours approximate time dedication. 2 years course duration. 7 to 12 months average completion time. On-the-job study method. Online evidence submission. Fully tutor supported. For detailed information, call us on +92331 599 9937, +92321 505 6755, or WhatsApp +92331 599 9937.